Are you looking for UPS battery replacement contractor in Cleveland, Ohio? SRSS Technologies is here to help you with your UPS system battery replacement. SRSS Technologies has trained technicians that can work on any manufacturer's UPS system. With projects such as schools, hospitals, military installations and offices. We are a service-disabled veteran and minority company serving you right here in Cleveland, Ohio. We look forward to hearing from you. Reach out to us at 216-282-6351 or for more information visit srsstech.com or mail info@srsstech.com.